Hello everyone! I wanted to show you a bed I built for my daughter, which is an IKEA hack based on their popular Cura children's bed. First, castles have dark wood, which means the Cura parts needed to be stripped of their clear lacquer that was on top of its natural finish before it could be stained. Second, castles have stone walls, which I initially had no idea how to replicate until I came across on the internet some fake stone panels made of polyurethane, which actually worked out quite well. In terms of the actual design and layout, this was a first draft that I worked on with my daughter. Even if you're already familiar with the lofted Cura bed, it may not be obvious that the primary bed is on the right, and the tower on the left is a second Cura tipped on its side. So let's build this thing and see how it turns out. As planned, we have two main halves of the castle, the bed and the tower, which I think came together really nicely and seamlessly. The pink was her choice, of course. This fixture outside the door functions like a nightlight. It has variable brightness, which is controlled via touching the base, and it also has multiple colors to choose from. Heading down below, inside, my daughter has her toy box and more remote-controlled LEDs. Next is a secret passageway. And the hidden bookcase, which has more than enough room for her books, at least for now, and is easy enough to slide in and out that she can do it herself without difficulty. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed seeing my daughter's bed. This project was, of course, a lot of work, but it was also a ton of fun, and I think in particular, this made it all worth it.
Whoa!
What is this?
It's a castle. I want to go in it.
You want to go in it? Are you allowed in it?
What?
Are you allowed to go in it?
Yeah.
Of course you're allowed to go in it. It's your castle. It's your fairy princess castle bed.
I want to go in the roof.
Okay.
Is it floor?
Uh-huh.
Whoa! I want very on level.
Yeah, to sit on. It's a cushion to sit on.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you're interested in our products or would like to learn more about them, please visit our website at fauxpanels.com. You may also give us a call at 1-800-651-4223. Our friendly and experienced customer service representatives will be happy to help you.